Ayan po, nandito kami sa labas. Dala kami ni Nelly. Dahil po malamig, syempre, para na mas marami pong damit na suot. Nelly, come here now. What is that? Come on. Let's go. Nelly, come on, girl. Come on. Yes. Whoop. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on here. Come here. Let's go here. Roll over. Come on. Sit. Up, up. Come on now. What's up? Up. Why are you not upping now? Come on. Okay, run. Come here. This way. Good job. Say hello. Where's Hunter? Where's Hunter? Bali, alas 3 po ng hapon at walang araw ngayon. Usually, ganitong alas 3 ay tumitila po sumisikat po yung araw. Oh my, hiningal ako. Come here! Hiningal ako dito sa aso na ito. Hindi ako naka-gloves kasi po ang hirap mag-function pag may gloves. Kaya nilalagay ko yung aking kamay sa aking bulsa. At kailangang makapal yung ating suot para hindi po tayo manigas dito sa labas. Look at you. Look. This way. I know you like that much. Come on. Usually po, sumisikap po yung araw ng alas 3 at agad po itong bababa rin. Kaya konti lang po nakikita nyo, konti lang po ang liwanag namin. Kaya ganito lang po aming weather. Today is November 5th at ito po ang aming weather this time. Thank you po sa inyong panonood. God bless everyone.